Hi children, today's topic is this and that. When should we use this or that in a sentence? Let us see. When should we use this or that in a sentence? This and that are used for mentioning about an animal or a person or a thing. An animal means it can be a tiger or it can be a cat, it can be a rat or it can be a giraffe or it can be a bird, anything. Okay, then you have to use this or that when you are mentioning about an animal. And about a person, it can be a boy or girl or a man or a woman. Then you use this or that for a person also. And about, when you are mentioning about a thing like a kite, ball, bat, key, anything, flower or a pot, then you will use this or that. Now let us see when we have to use this. If anything is near to you or us, that means if the object is near to us, then we will use this. If the object is near to you, then you will use this. Now let us see, here a boy is standing and here few objects are next to him. See, like a bird. When we use this or that, when we are talking about animal. So bird is an animal and here bee is an animal. Right. When you are talking about a thing like cup or an apple. So we will use this or that. Now we'll see when we have to use this. If the objects are nearby to you, then you have to use this. So the owl is next to this boy. So we use this is an owl. And the bee is also next to him. So we use this. This is a bee. And an apple also is here next to a boy. Then we use this is an apple. So what is this, children? This is a cup. This is a cup because it is next to the boy. Let us see whether this or that we have mentioned. Yes, correct. This is a cup. When should we use that? I told when the objects are near to us, then you have to use this. So when should you use that? If the objects are very far away. If the objects are far away, then you have to use that. So here a school is there and then a bag is there. So then when you are mentioning about the school, you have to say that is my school. That is my school. And bag also is far away from this girl. So you have to mention that is a bag. That is a bag. So now let us see. The cake is next to the girl. So we have used, what word we have used here? This. This is a cake. What is this? This is a cake. And a tree is far away and boy is also far away. So what word you have to use? What is that? That is a tree. What is that? That is a tree. So here a boy is standing here and he is this girl's friend. So when she is telling about this boy, then she will say that he is my friend. That is my friend. Yes. So if the object is near to you, then you have to use this. If the object is far away, then you have to use that. Here, did you all see? Notice only one tree is there and only one boy is there, and then only one cake is there. Like that. Even here also only one owl, one bee, one apple, one cup, and only one school building is there and one bag is there. So when should we use this and that? If only one object is there, that means singular. And if it is far away, if only one object is far away, then you have to use that. If only one object is near to you, then you have to use this. So now children, I have a doubt. Do you all have a doubt? Okay, if only one is there, if only one object is there near to me, then I am using this. If one object is far away, then I am using that. So if many are there, you all have learned one many concept, singular and plural? Yes. Do you remember? If not, you refer the video once again, then you can recollect it back. So if only one object is there, that means only one, singular. That time, if a single object is there near to you, then you will use this. And if a single object is there far away, then you will use that. So if many are there, then what we have to use? Yes, hold on, wait for the next video. In the next video, I will explain if many objects are there, what words we use. Okay children, till then, bye, take care.